Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on how to change the background of your video exactly how I have done in this video. Yes, I know you're surprised. This is a fake background. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in your own video. Now, if you're going to change the background of your video, there are 3 steps you need to take. The first step is making sure that your video is done with proper lighting. As you can see, this video is done with natural sunlight. There is no artificial lighting in this video, as I don't have any ring light or LED light in front of me. No, this is proper sunlight from a window right in front of me. So you can do that in order for you to achieve the best results with your lighting in your video. The second thing you need to take note of is the type of background you want to use. Now, changing the background of your video simply means that you have the option of choosing the type of background you want to use in your video. So you need to know how to get the right picture or video for your background and how to fit it right into the proper sizing for your social media platform. So if you're creating a video for YouTube, you should know how to fit your background into a YouTube size frame. If you're going to create a video for Reels on Instagram, you should know how to fit your picture background into a Reels frame. All right. So these are the things you need to take note of. And the third thing is you need to know which editing tool works for you. So if it's CapCut or InShot or whichever one works for you, depends on the one you know how to use. But in today's video, I'm going to be using CapCut for our tutorial. So let's get right into the video. You need to go to Canva, all right? Then on Canva, you click on the plus sign here. So we need to pick the YouTube thumbnail frame, all right? So that's the frame we're going to be fitting our picture into here. So you click on the plus button here to pick out the picture that you want to use for your background, okay? So you can choose to get pictures from photos. Click on photos. Okay, so I'm going to use this capsule, all right, this wardrobe background, and I'm going to click on more. So when you click on more, you're going to click on set image as background. So I'm using this background, okay. So it depends on the type of video you want to do. If you want to create video for fashion or any kind of video, you should know what background to use. Well, I'm using this background, okay, that I picked out here, and I'm just going to save it so I can use it. So when you save that image, you're good to go. So that's the first step. So the next thing is to go into the CapCut app, all right. So you click on create. We're going to go to photos so that we can pick out the photo that I've already sized. So I'm clicking on this photo, which is what I'm going to use. Good. So you need to drag this photo to the length of your video. Okay. So my video is about, let's say I'm going to leave this at 2 minutes. All right. Let's make it 3. All right. To be 3 minutes. All right. So I'm sure of the length. Okay. So the next thing to do now is to you click on overlay. Click on overlay to bring in the video. Okay, so I'm going to bring in that video that I already created. Okay, so this is my video, and I need to remove the background. So you're going to scroll like this. While on overlay, click on remove BG. Alright, then click on auto remover. Okay, good, and you can see my background has been removed already. So I'm going to like size my video to good. So this is where I want my video to stay. It's showing exactly, so I just need to make sure the video goes to the end so that I cut off any excesses that are in my video. Okay, so I'm done with the overlay, so it ends here. So I need to cut out the excesses. Okay, so I need to click highlight it, then split image and delete. Okay, good. So let's make sure, and just make sure your head, is really where your head is. Your videos should be your original video should be on a plain background that makes it easy to cut out, okay? Because if it's not on a plain background, you will not get a good result like this. The cutout will not be good, okay? You'll be having some faults, but it's looking good now because it's on a plain background, okay? So now it looks like I'm sitting in front of a wardrobe or in front of a shop with bags and all of that, okay? So that's simply how to change the background of your video. I hope you gained value from today's video. I hope you learned something that you can actually implement and get good results when making your videos. So share this video with your friends that might want to learn a thing or two that I've shared here. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.